Let's model a battery. First, cube. Next, measure. Our battery measures 35 by 5.2 by 46.2. 35 by 0.2 and then 46.2. Now we can make the edges. This battery doesn't have too much of a round edge, so we can ignore that. We do have a dent on one corner. We'll do this side as the back, that side as the front. So the corner is here. The corner, if we measure from edge to corner edge, is 2.6 by 2.6. We want it to be as accurate as possible. Therefore, we want to go as little decimal points as possible. And then, snap grid of 1 is a bit big. Set it to half. Move it over. Still wrong. 0.25, move it over. And then we can drop this down. How deep is it? Let's measure. 2.2. So its top height, we can go down a bit more. Doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be that precise. Merge it. Always check your edges. Yep, that's good. That's about it for this battery, but we should use some rounded corners. There's no good shape for this. And so, for my other battery, I used one of these semicircles. But for this guy, let's make the contacts. So the contact and the hole has a 1.7 millimeter piece of plastic. And the contact pad is 4.3 by 3.1. Type it in. I want you to drop it down. You should drop it down 0.9 millimeters. Rotate that. Drop it down a bit more. Its height is 46. .2. So 46.2 minus 0.9, that would be 45.3. Now make the 1.7 millimeter cross part. Just eyeballing this. Doesn't have to be perfect, because they're pads. They're nice and big. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the negative pad, but I'm not going to do the middle pad, because I'm trying to make a battery charger, not an entire battery. Honestly, we can just eyeball it, but we'll measure anyway. From one side to the other is 15.4. So that would mean you need to press this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's a bit far, don't you think? We'll just eyeball it here. But if we reckon that's close enough, we might as well check 4.3 through this edge is 12.65. So from here to here, it's 12.6. That's good. And now we just merge it. Come on, Tinkercad. Barely anything. Come on. There. The third pad in the middle, it might damage the battery contact, so might as well make it. Just clone this over. Shrink it down a little. That's our third pad. Shift it over. Not that much. Good enough. Merge it. And there's your battery complete. Now, if you're worried about the corners, let's do those. Let's do those corners now. Turn this 45 degrees. Just intrude a tiny bit. You can eyeball it. And just make this infinitely tall. Do the same for the other side. Just intrude a little bit. Doesn't have to be exact. And just merge it all together. Perfect. While we could use the semicircle to round this off, I don't think that will be necessary. There you go, you've made a battery. Leave.